And zymote device comes in 3 types. Now one is for ICSI. So what we have learned is that we want to do a procedure in which there is no centrifugation and no pipetting. Our main worry is centrifugation and pipetting. So pipetting, if you don't do properly, then you will have bubbles or you'll suck out more. Today you learn the concept of pipetting when you do DFI. DFI in the pipetting, what I taught you yesterday will come very handy to you. So we use a device called something like this. It is called a polycarbonate chamber sperm separating device. It looks like this. It's very easy to handle, and as I told you, the number of steps are barely 3 to 4 in this, as compared to more than 9 to 12 in sperm preparation. And those steps are what? Centrifugation. Those steps are what? Pipetting, which is totally eradicated. It's something like going home in the night, just picking up Zomato, or maybe any tool application and ordering type of food. You want food from Bengal, Andhra, protein, high protein, healthy food, salads, then the option comes. Then it gives you want 1 plus 1 free, or you want 50% off. It happens. This is like this. And within 7-8 minutes, food comes, maybe 10 minutes food comes home. It does. Food is also not very bad. This is the way, this is your Zomato device where things will reach you within minutes. And this is how the device will look like. Can you see this? This device is like this, and this is a polycarbonate membrane. This is a polycarbonate membrane. This is what? Inlet. And this is the outlet. Done. So our sperms, a media will be poured here, and sperms will come from below and move up. So we want that. The conduit from the airport terminal to the aircraft fully air conditioned and working, lighted. So we put some drops of media for lubrication there. There are many type of devices we have, but now what we are using is something called, we use an 850 microliter device. Good for IUI, excellent device. So what, as a single time use, we can't use it multiple times. So now what we do is, this is a device, I hope you understand this. This is the way we open it. So device comes like this, and we'll be opening it. Fine. So we are opening it like this. And device is in my hand. So this device looks like this, inlet and outlet. So we have an inlet here, and we have an outlet here. Is this much clear to you? Yes. Not difficult? Not difficult at all. The next step is this, a close-up. We have got an inlet is 850 microliter. Can you read this? Yes. And then we have got the outlet here. Done. Not difficult. Next step, another close-up of this device. We label the patient details here, and this inlet here, membrane filter and port outlet. This is this outlet, and this is the membrane filters. That's the way it works. So what we do is, we'll take a 1 ml syringe. In 1 ml syringe, we will take some amount of semen sample which is liquefied. And we have done the semen analysis before. We've done analysis, mount a drop, have some idea how the sample is, and then we want to go in for semen preparation. Right? Is it right? So we'll take 1 drop of semen sample, and how much is that 1 drop of semen sample? 10 microliter. How do you take 10 microliter? Pipette. With pipette. So that's the only pipetting probably you will do. Otherwise, there's no pipetting required. So put 1 drop, look at the count, morphology, aggregation, agglutination, and you come to some number. You have a semen analysis report. Right? This you can do, no? You did yesterday. Now, we will take 850 microliter. So, you will take a 1 ml syringe. उसके ऊपर gradations होते हैं. It is 1000 microliter. You take 850 and then hold this device in your hand firmly, or you can hold it like this, firmly keeping on the surface. And then you will inject 850 microliter here in the inlet. So don't push hard. In case you push hard, all that 850 will go down and membrane will be lifted up. Very gradually you do, and you'll find that semen sample is going below the membrane. You can see it walking through. By the time you come to 850, it will come and hit this area. Then this is above the membrane or below the membrane? Below the membrane. Excellent. It's below the membrane. Now what we do? We will take 750 microliter of the heated media. 850 heated media. Which media? Semen washing media. Take 50 microliter and put it here. Now how do you calculate 50 microliter? It's pretty complicated stuff. But simply take a syringe and put 2 drops there. Just wet. It's a small area. Just wet it and put the rest of the media over the membrane. So let's see how we do it. And we are pouring other media over top of this. But this becomes the concept. I drew on the screen. Dipali, can you focus on the screen, beta? Go near the screen. I drew in my bad. I'm not as good an artist as Dr. Rava, but I drew with my pen. You're laughing at my drawings. But we should make an attempt, huh? We should make an attempt. So, but if you get time, do make a little sketch of everyone present here. If you just symbolic, उसको मैं display करेंगे आपके batch के. Sorry, I know you're a very busy person. This is the thing I drew. And look here, we put the semen sample in the inlet here. Semen sample will go down. This is a membrane. So from the membrane, when everybody is sitting here and cursing each other, everybody is hungry, there's no light, AC is bad. Suddenly you will find Starbucks aroma, freshly baked buns, homemade sambar from Andhra. So what do? You go and have that sambar. So you start climbing up. As you start to climb up, who will climb? Young people. 35, 25, बैठे हुए बच्चे लोग, they will go through it. And people with me like get stuck, obviously. We should be stuck also. And when they are going, ऊपर से भी पानी आ रहा है. Pressure head is there. That is called rheotaxis. So they all go to eat pizza, or they all want to have nice cappuccino. They are moving up, and bad ones will be stuck below because they won't be able to maneuver their way. And good ones go there, and above the membrane, we say we have got the collection chamber, the retrieval chamber. ऊपर membrane के ऊपर, इसमें open, it is called a retrieval chamber. Sperms will come up, finally they'll climb in the media, and then we'll have them collected from the outlet port. The catch here is, when you are pushing the syringe, don't push it hard. Because you push it very hard, what happens that it goes with a very fast velocity and the membrane will get swollen up. And when we are collecting, don't pull hard. Because you pull hard, even the bad sperms will be negative suction. अब मैं बैठा हूँ, मैं तो ऊपर जाना चाह रहा हूँ, जा ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ. ऊपर से तो फ्लो आ रहा है, but suddenly ऊपर से मुझे शक कर लिया किसी ने, जोर लगाया और मेरी तो लॉटरी लग गई. Suddenly I should be dieting and I get garlic bread. And when I go up, they say, अरे यार ये तो 59 इसे पहले खिला दो यार. Getting my point? So negative suction should be very, very gradual. Just put it there, hold like this, and very gradually you pull it up. Only then the top layer will come only. Because if you push it hard, then people like me will be pushed up. All the fat people will go up and they'll eat away young sperms also, which have to be actually eradicated from our end. So now look at this again. Now this can be a life-changing device for you, life-changing experience for you. Look at it with an open mind. So we put the semen sample here, clear. Sample comes like this, clear. Membrane here, clear. On the top we have fresh warm media. So mommy has made fresh idli, badas, sambar, fresh cooked food. That is fresh media, full of fructose, full of energy, full of glucose, full of antibiotics. इस पम्प को चोट भी लग गई तो antibiotic भी है उसको, antibiotic भी दे रहे हैं उसको. They all want to go up and they will gradually, and we put media here. How much? 700. 700 media, 700 here and 50 here. And